What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the differences between the Nike Swingman and the Nike Authentic NBA jersey. So as we all know, Nike makes the jerseys for the NBA, and the price for the Swingman retails for $110, and the Authentic jerseys retail for $200. And that price difference sometimes leaves a lot of people confused as to which jersey that they should buy. If you're wearing one of these jerseys from a distance, it's going to look the same. When you get up close to the jersey and when you can really start to examine the materials is where you can really see the difference between the two. So no matter what team you're a fan of or no matter what player you're a fan of, the materials used on the Swingman and the Authentic jerseys between each team is going to be exactly the same. The only thing that's going to be different is the placement of the logos and some of the numbers and lettering. So if you're in the market to purchase an NBA jersey and you're not sure which one that you should buy, then I hope that this review can help you. So what we're going to do in today's video is we're going to look at both jerseys, the Swingman and the Authentic, and we're going to examine the pros and cons on if you should purchase the $110 Swingman or the $200 retail Authentic jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers, but if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you all could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Right here I have a LeBron James Authentic Statement Edition jersey. And on this side, I have a LeBron James Swingman Icon Edition jersey. Now, they're not exactly the same jersey, but the materials that are used on both of these jerseys, no matter if this was the same jersey as this one or vice versa, is going to be exactly the same. There's not going to be much of a difference. What we're looking for in this video is the materials that are being used and the price difference between the two and which one best suits your needs. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the Swingman jersey first. Now, starting at the top, as you're going to see here, that this jersey is made of dry fit material. And this is a size 48, which is a large, and both jerseys that we're looking at today are exactly the same size. Now, moving down to the right side of the chest, you're going to have your Nike logo. And this does feel kind of rubbery, but this is a heat press logo. Now, moving down to the middle of the jersey where you have your Lakers lettering. Now, this is all heat pressed, and there's no stitching or anything like that. And this is very flimsy, kind of thin. And below that, you're going to have your number 23. And that's going to be the same kind of material, guys. It is not stitched at all. Nothing about it is stitched. It's all heat pressed. Now, down here in the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag. And there you go. It says size 48, which is a large. And you have your Swingman tag right there. And then it has that Nike Connect tag, which this Nike Connect tag doesn't really do anything, guys, so I'm not even going to waste time for that. Now, moving on to the back of the jersey, you have your NBA logo here. And this, once again, it feels kind of rubbery, but it is heat pressed into the jersey. And the same thing goes with the James lettering as well, also heat pressed. And the number 23 on the back, same thing as the front, it is heat pressed. Now, the tags that will come with the jersey, you get your standard fit tag here. And then you're going to have your NBA Authentic tag right here and NBA.com. Now moving on to the Authentic jersey. Now starting at the top, as you can see here, this is made of vapor knit material, which is slightly different from the dry fit material on the Swingman. Now over here where you have your NBA logo, this one is actually different than the one on the Swingman. This feels more like the actual jersey material, and it is stitched into it. Now, I have a Kobe Bryant jersey just like this, and it does have a rubber Nike symbol on it, so there may be some differences here or there, but on this particular jersey, it is stitched into the jersey, and it is made of like the jersey material. Now, in the middle of the jersey, as you're going to see, your Lakers lettering is stitched all the way across, and stitched very well. And the same thing goes for the numbers. You're going to have all embroidered numbers all the way around. On the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag, which is size 48. And it says Authentic on the left side, and then length +2 on the other side. And then once again, you're going to have your Nike Connect. Now moving to the back of the jersey, you're going to have your NBA logo. And this has this rubbery part. that appears to be heat pressed. And below that, you're going to have your James lettering, and is all embroidered to the back. And then below that, you're going to have your number 23 that is embroidered into the jersey. The tags that come associated with the jersey, you'll have this VaporNet tag. This has a retail price tag of $200. And then on the other side, you have your standard fit tag, your NBA.com, NBA Authentics. So the Nike Swingman is $110 retail. And all the lettering and numbering is all heat pressed, which means that it is more susceptible to peeling, or when you wash it or dry it or something like that. Over time, your numbers and your lettering are going to peel. You're not going to have this jersey for years and years and years and years. This is a cheaper option for somebody to purchase, enjoy, rock to the game, and stuff like that. Now, the authentic jerseys are $200 retail, and the numbering and the lettering are all stitched and embroidered to the jersey. So you could wear this jersey, you could wash the jersey, and you don't have to worry about destroying the jersey by just basically cleaning it. So if you're on a budget and you really don't want to spend $200 on a jersey, then the Nike Swingman is a decent option. It's $110, it is affordable, and it is a cheaper option for you to build up your collection, so you have like multiple jerseys. You can get them, for cheaper. But if you're not worried about money and you want to step up the quality game as far as the jersey you're going to buy, then the Nike Authentic jersey is definitely the way to go. The Authentic jersey is heavier than the Swingman, but not by much. They're both kind of paper thin, but in my opinion, the Nike Authentic is way better. Yes, it is more expensive. Yes, it is $90 more. And I know everybody's budgets are different and stuff like that. But if it's me, I'm going after the Authentic every time just because it's going to last longer. It's more durable. And I kind of think that they look better. Now, from a distance, you're not going to be able to tell. No one's going to walk up to you like, oh, that's a Swingman. I mean, I might, but most people won't. They won't do that to you or anything like that. So like I said, guys, if you have the extra $90 laying around and you want to pick up your favorite jersey, the Nike Authentic is the way to go. Drop a comment down below, guys. Let me know, what do you prefer, the Swingman or the Authentic and the Nike product line? And tell me what jerseys you have, guys. I'd like to know what your favorite players are. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could do me a huge favor and destroy that like button for me, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any videos on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.